Last year, as we all swiped our cards, banks cashed in, raking in a whopping $3.1 billion in fees alone. Meanwhile, retail prices shot through the roof and retailers saw record earnings. But what about the average American? They didn't get the same boost. Instead, many were left penny pinching to deal with those soaring costs. This isn't the American dream. Something needs to change, and it needs to change now. Meet TranzactCard. Now, banking changes forever. Just like Uber disrupted transportation and Amazon disrupted retail, TranzactCard is here to disrupt banking with unparalleled rewards and positive social impact. But how? Here are 3 game-changing reasons. First, the Tranzact card. While it may appear as just an ordinary Visa bank card, the card is packed with extraordinary features, including an exceptionally generous rewards match. You've probably seen other cards with a typical offer like a 1%, 2%, or even 5% rewards match on purchases. But guess how much TranzactCard matches? Good guess, but it's actually a mind-blowing 100%. That's right. For every dollar you spend, TranzactCard rewards you with a 1-for-1 match in Z-Bucks. Every dollar you spend earns you an equal amount in Z-Bucks. Every purchase, every day. Imagine doubling your buying power and making the money you are already spending go twice as far. Number 2, enter Z-Bucks and ZCLUB. Spend $127 on groceries. Get $127 in Z-Bucks. Use these Z-Bucks to buy down the price on hundreds of thousands of items in TranzactCard's vast online marketplace called ZCLUB. Shop national brands and everyday items from dish soap to diapers to fashion, luxury, and even travel. And 3, reinvesting in its members. In a world where most banks prioritize shareholder profits, TranzactCard prioritizes member benefits, from zero cash flash sales to Z-Bucks offers and more. TranzactCard is breaking the mold, putting customers first and giving them a financial boost. Now that's disruption. A disruption that's quickly gaining traction with more than 18,000 Americans already enrolled with TranzactCard. And that's just during its pre-launch phase. Brace yourself for TranzactCard's official launch coming this November. So how can you be a part of the TranzactCard revolution? Order your TranzactCard today. For just $25, you'll receive 500 Z-Bucks on your very first card swipe. Plus, during our pre-launch phase, you'll earn double Z-Bucks on all purchases for an entire year after the launch. And the best part? Your $25 annual fee is waived forever. Or become a digital branch office. As a cardholder, you can apply to participate in TranzactCard's income opportunity by becoming a digital branch office. As a DBO, you earn from purchases made by those affiliated with your unique TranzactCard digital branch. Just picture it. Income rolling in with every TranzactCard swipe and every ZCLUB transaction made via your digital branch office. Whether you're an entrepreneur, gig worker, or a stay-at-home parent, TranzactCard may be just the right fit for you to finally supplement your income. Click to learn more. Lastly, spread the word. Don't keep the good news of TranzactCard a secret. Let friends, family, and colleagues in on the incredible value of TranzactCard. For only $25, they can also start doubling their buying power too. The time to join the TranzactCard revolution has never been better. Join today and be part of helping your family and friends double their buying power.